Welcome back Sunbro. We hope you all in great health and great money. Before we start, please at least subscribe so we can have little money for food and paying bills. Alright, today we are going to talk about 8 things that will and won't whiten your teeth. Want a whiter smile but not keen on expensive treatments or drugstore products? Some at-home remedies are effective, while others might not be worth your time. Here's a guide to what works and what doesn't. 1. Brushing and flossing. Good oral hygiene is your best bet. Regular toothpastes remove surface stains, and whitening toothpastes offer extra power. Flossing removes plaque, keeping your teeth bright and clean. 2. Oil pulling. Swishing a tablespoon of oil, like coconut or olive, in your mouth for up to 20 minutes can help fight bacteria and prevent tooth decay. Though it's popular in Ayurvedic medicine, it doesn't have proven whitening effects. 3. Baking soda. Known for its mild abrasiveness, baking soda can scrub away surface stains. DIY pastes are an option, but toothpaste with baking soda is more effective for long-term whitening. 4. Fruits like apples and pineapples. While malic acid in apples and bromelain in pineapple toothpaste can help, eating these fruits won't significantly whiten your teeth. Avoid strawberries mixed with baking soda as it has no effect. Even worse, citric acid can erode enamel. 5. Hydrogen peroxide. Found in many whitening kits, hydrogen peroxide can lighten teeth. Over-the-counter gels with 6% hydrogen peroxide can show results in 2 weeks. Lower concentrations from drugstores might irritate gums before whitening teeth. 6. Apple cider vinegar. Despite claims, there's no solid evidence that gargling apple cider vinegar whitens teeth. It's great for salad dressing, but don't expect it to brighten your smile. 7. Turmeric. Known for its strong color, turmeric is suggested for teeth whitening, but there's no reliable research to support this. It's more likely to stain than brighten. 8. Watch what you eat. Dark berries, coffee, red wine, and soda can stain teeth. Enjoy in moderation and rinse with water afterward. For best results, wait 30 minutes before brushing to protect your enamel. Avoid smoking and chewing tobacco as they also cause stains. Taking care of your teeth doesn't have to be complicated. Stick to proven methods, and your smile will thank you. Thanks for watching, Sunbro. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share if you find this helpful. Come again to our next meeting Sunbro.